Hello everyone, in this video lesson we are going to create this cinematic text behind video in Capcut. Alright, first you need to open your Capcut application on your screen. I'm using an Android phone, so I tap on the Capcut application, select the plus button and add new project. I'm going to select a clip from my folder and add it to my timeline. And once that had been added, I'll start typing my text, the text that I want to include on my video, that I want to place under my video. So I'm going to type on text, select text and start typing. So I'm going to add video H as my text, just a short text so it can fit into my screen and not go off my screen. So I'm typing video H, then OK it. Alright, that's fine. Then I'll position it properly. I'll select the font that I want to use. I'm using a bold font, Avon Nest. Select Avon Nest, which is bold enough. Then okay that and stretch it to fit the screen. Okay, that's fine. Position it properly. Okay. So after that, I'll add a bit of animation to this text. So it's not just plain. I'm going to go to animation, then just add the typewriter animation. Click on typewriter animation just to add a bit of interest to it. Okay. All right, what I want to do exactly now is to make sure that the text spans through the entire video. So right now it's stopping at this position. So what I do is go to the toolbar and scroll down to lasting text. This will make the text span through the entire video. All right, and that's fine. This is exactly what I want to achieve. So the next step is to export my video out to my phone. So I'm going to click on the export button, which is on the top right corner of my screen. So I'm going to click on this button, export button, to export my video out. All right, my next step is to create a new project. I'm going to click on new project and then I'm going to bring back the video without the text on it into my timeline. So this is the video without the text. I'm going to select it and add to my timeline, and I'm going to have this on my timeline. All right, then I'll then have to go back to my phone and then import the video that I just saved that has the text on it, the video H text on it. Select it and then add to my timeline. So I have the two videos. The first one in front is the one without the text on it, and the second is the one with the text on it. So the next step is to select the video in front. That's the one without text. I'm going to select it, then click on overlay. Click on overlay first, then select cutouts. Select the video. Select the video. Click on cutouts. Then click on remove background. So it's going to remove the background from the video. And you are going to be left with, you're going to have this output. Okay. So simply export this video out and you're done. So when we rewatch this, we can see exactly what we have done. So I'm going to replay it, go to my folder and then check it out. What we've what we've done, my folder, and check it out what we have done. So this is where the video is. Click on it and play it. So this is what we have. So we'll have the final version. So if this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and sharing with anyone that you feel this would be helpful to as well. Thank you.